Hello friends, my name is Shaurya Patel. I have made a fish at Robofun Lab Ahmedabad. The components of this fish are two motors, one smart hub, some axle extenders, bushes, rubber bands, gears, and many more. I have programmed this fish in such a way that when I press the start button, it would make a sound and then move ahead. At the same time, it would move its fin. Let me show you a demo. Thank you.